What's up, guys? It's Golden Gamer, and we're playing this game. What do you call it? Teddy bear, and yeah, bears are taking my honey. You see insides, and yeah, we try to kill them. Not kill them. We try to not get the honey. Yeah, so I'm trying to knock them. Okay, I need. Don't tell me I have no stuff anymore. Yep. Oh shit, guys. Oh shit. Yeah, I use a big camera. A big camera. he got zapped by my thing. Big this piece of shit. Come on, you fucking bear, teddy bear. Die. I hit him in the car. Get zapped, bitch. Get zapped. Get zapped. You knocked down. Knock down. I hit him. Wait, I forgot to Hey! You get it, guys? Hey! Because I'm using hey. What the hell are you doing? You get it, guys? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh shit. Oh yeah. Cameras. I'm trying to hit the fucking teddy bears. Oh my god, he's talking to teddy bears or teddy bears. I call teddy bears. Oh my. So hard to hit them, guys. You see the big fucking big teddy bear? You too much shiny, you fucking ass bitch. Shit, what was that? I'm gonna stop the game still. Oh my god, guys, it's so hard. Okay, hi guys, it's me, Key Gamer, our face gamer, and I'm playing my friend's game because he needs to do something quick for his sister. Like I said, I was gonna take over his channel, and I don't know how to. Oh, game over. How do I start? Show me. Nope. Okay, guys, sorry about this. I just forgot how to play. Nope. Damn it! How do I take it out? Oh, okay. What the heck? I don't get what. Sorry, guys. Dude, this thing freezed. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I was gonna take over his channel. So yeah. Guys, what the heck? This thing is not working. It freezed. Bro! I'm sorry to your fans. This thing freezed. I can't. What the fuck happened again? Ah, shit. This happens always, guys. Back to the basic game. And you just start the game. Nope, I don't want. Oh, fuck. Are you sure? Okay, guys. I'm taking Alex's channel. I'm taking over Alex's YouTube channel, people. Oh god. Oh god, no, he's getting near me. Oh yeah, guys, just to tell you, you heard on it. He's telling me blah 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 blah. But just to tell you, he's not here anymore because I killed him. Yeah, so oh my god. Oh wait, what? What the heck? It freezed again. Dang it. Oh my god, it's freezed again. I died! What's up, Gamer? Oh, I'm going to the bathroom. That's what Gamer. Bathroom, bye-bye. Where you going to the bathroom? Guys, I don't know why he went to the bathroom for what. So, guys, what the? Gamer! Guys, just wait for 1 minute. What? Gamer! Guys! Fuck you, Alex! Damn. Yeah, you heard him, guys. He took over my YouTube channel. But we start the game. Yes, I want to quit. Now, guys, we're playing Subway Surfer. Yes, I did 2 games. Sometimes I put 3 games. This game I'm doing now. So yeah, guys. Come on. Charge this. No, not charge this. Do this. Come on. Yes. Yeah, I got only that guy right now. The white guy with the hat. Looks and smile with his girlfriend. Okay. I only have him, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna start the game. What the fuck? What the fuck? Shit, come on. Fucking stop. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm not trying to die, guys. Go on there. Go this way. Go this way. Go that way. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. God, 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 God. Woo! Shit. Jump! Oh yeah, you saw me jumping, guys. Jump! 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 Okay, I died. Almost. Let me get some stuff in here. And yeah, come on, go under! Go this way. Go that way. And go this way. Go this way. Go under. Go under. Go this way. Go up. Oh, guys, we're doing good. Go up. Mission completed. Okay, that was a mission. Oh, shit, guys. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, this is harder. They're making it harder. I need this. I need this thing. Oh, guys. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Booyah! He didn't saw me, guys. Finger! Go this way! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, no! No! That's not. I'm just not. I don't care, guys. I got the 5. What? That's not. Okay. I have to do this. I'm gonna be the first one who finished this. So my brother, to my sister, and my friend, Kid Gamer, he was the first person who finished this and did it. I don't know how, but I'm doing that too. I'm trying not to die. That's why I'm using all my keys. You know, guys. No! Fuck, guys. I died. But it has to be a good one. Continue. Whoa, that much money? I got more than that much money, guys. You saw that, yeah? I died once. That means twice would not be bad, yeah? Twice would... I have to use my quarter, my coin, my key! Learn on it! It's going to be hard because I'm listening my talk, you know why? Because can I tell you guys? School's not my favorite thing, yeah. School's not my favorite thing. I like summer, guys. Who wouldn't love summer? Tell me in the comments below, guys, about your summer. And also, guys, we want to do a video about tell me your scary comments what happened in real life. In real life, my house video got haunted. The door was closing, and also my mom heard some stuff in our house, and I trust because I heard that too. So guys, tell me about it. Then I could do it. I'm not the old kid who gets scared and oldie me, you know. Shit. Mystery box 2 and I'm getting the bunch. Coin, quarter, coin. Yes. Woo. You saw that, guys. You play over this video, guys. You will see I jumped like 3 chains or something. Shit. Lost $3. Oh my god. Bunch of coins. 1,000 coins. Double up. I'm doubling up the money. Ooh, future one. I double up the I double up my money. Then I can get 2,000 like more money, guys. I got 2,000 coins. Wow. What the price? What? Double up. No! What? This is double up. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, guys. See you next time, guys. Peace out.